Well, I think in terms of geographies, I think the US economy is looking the best, but even the US economy is quite fragile at the moment. And then when you turn to sectors and industries and actually stocks, you really have to drill down to that level. I like areas where I can find long-term growth trends. So whether it's in smartphones, online retail, online advertising, consumption in less developed economies, these are areas which I think are going to grow faster than fairly moderate global economic growth. So if I can find companies with exposure there, that's good. What I like less is companies which are very cyclical, or sectors which are very cyclical, perhaps driven by commodity prices or macro factors like industrial production. I don't have any visibility in that, and beyond that I don't feel I have any insight to add value at that sort of level. So if I can find companies with that secular growth, that's what I like. And a couple of examples might be Delphi Automotive. Now it supplies components to all the large auto manufacturers in the world, but it also is focusing on three key themes, which is safety, environmentally friendly, and interconnected, so better infotainment systems. And those three themes mean that Delphi's revenue is actually growing higher than the world's auto cycle. So unless there's a very steep downturn in the auto cycle, I'm convinced that Delphi can continue to grow. And we think that company is going to grow its earnings at 15% for the next 5 years. Another example would be the payment processors, so MasterCard and Visa. I own Visa. It's about twice the size of MasterCard. And these companies are benefiting from the switch from cash and check into credit card and debit card. And obviously driving that is the move to online retail. And Visa is a company where we see earnings growth of about 20% per annum over the next 5 years. So drilling down into countries, into sectors, into industries, and then actually specifically into companies is how we find companies that we really like.